Hey y'all,
How
how y'all doing?
They doing good. How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
What you finna do?
What is it?
You
Nothing.
sitting here watching me fry this chicken?
Huh?
Watching me fry this chicken?
Waiting for you to fry chicken.
Uh-huh.
I know.
Y'all know how grandma be about chicken. Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me, and I am coming at you with a how to fry chicken video. So, first of all, let me say welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all my faithful loyal family members. How y'all doing, Sugar Brew? Only thing I ask is that if you like my channel, I ask that you subscribe. If you want to be a supporter, I ask that you subscribe. And also, I ask that you hit the notification bell and set it to all so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also, every time you come over to my channel and watch a video, I ask that you please ring the doorbell. When I say ring the doorbell, that means hit the thumbs up, the like button one time for your girl, if you don't mind. Alright y'all, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so first things first, what you're going to need for this recipe is some salt, pepper, or seasoning salt of your choice, hot sauce of your choice, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, mustard, and cornstarch. Yes, cornstarch. I'm going to show y'all what you do with this cornstarch. Honey, when I tell you this going to be some of the juiciest crunchy fried chicken that you will ever have, honey, you will never go back to the way that you make it if you make it my way. So if you try my recipe, let me know what you think. I would love to know how you liked it and what you thought of it. All right, so let's get into this video, y'all. Oh, and I also forgot to say you're going to need your cooking oil of your choice. I'm using canola oil. That's just what I have on hand. If I am a vegetable oil user. If I had vegetable oil, that's what I would use. So, but I have canola oil. You just use whatever kind of oil you want to use. It don't matter. And I forgot to tell you that you're going to need your chicken. Okay, so in my bowl, what I'm about to do is I got my chicken in there. It's already washed. It's been cleaned. It's been everything. So now it's just ready to be seasoned and fried. So you're going to take your salt and you're just going to season your chicken or your seasoning salt, whatever, and season your chicken. Then you're going to add your black pepper like so. Then you're going to take your hot sauce and you're going to put it on the chicken and just put you some on there, just enough to see it, you know. So got the hot sauce. You're going to throw you some onion powder on there. There's no particular order for this. Just season your meat as you would anything else. Okay? Then you're going to take your garlic powder and add you some garlic to it. Okay? Then another thing we're going to take is our paprika. And this is just what's going to give it the color. So you only need just a little bit of that. And then you're going to take your mustard and you're going to put quite a bit on there. Don't be scared with it. It's not going to make your food taste like mustard. It's going to give it good flavor. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take this mixture and mix it around until you get all the pieces of chicken coated and covered in your seasonings, okay? Now I have all my seasonings coated on the chicken, or have my chicken coated with all my seasonings rather. And I'm going to take my cornstarch and I'm just going to sprinkle some on the chicken. I'm not trying to bread the chicken or nothing like that. Only thing I want is like a little sticky coating on the chicken, and that was just about 2 heaping tablespoons that I put on there. And what you're looking for is when you mix this together, you want to be able to see it kind of like pale looking on the meat, and you could tell that it's sticky. It don't have to be like, you know, actually sticky. That's not what you're going for, because then you're using too much. So you're just going for that little pale look where you could tell it's something else on the meat, but you just don't know what it is. You know what I'm saying? And so that's what you're looking for. And it's going to look something like this. You see it? See it's on there? So I'm gonna add just a tad bit more. On mine, because I have quite a bit of chicken. But the look that I just showed y'all, that's what you're going for. I just needed just a little bit more. And this is perfect. So I have my grease warming up over there. And now we ready to start dropping chicken, y'all. So this is what it should look like. Y'all see that? See how you could tell it's something on there, but you just don't know what it is? It just look like it's seasoned real good, which it is. Okay, that's what you're looking for. Just like that. Alright, so now we about to get this chicken frying. Okay, alright y'all, so I got my good fry pot right here. So now what I'm about to do is I'm just going to take my chicken and just lay it right down in there and let it start frying. I had my grease turned down so it didn't get too hot on me while I was preparing the chicken. So I have some chicken legs and chicken thighs. You can most definitely do the same thing with chicken breast. Only thing is, you just don't cook it as long. Please don't cook it long. And I have my stove set to a medium high because I don't want to fry too fast because I do not want to dry my chicken out. So we're going to let this chicken fry for about, I don't know how many minutes, y'all. I ain't even going to tell no lie, pretend like I even know. We're just going to let this chicken fry. And I'm going to come back and let y'all know about how long it took. Which is really not going to matter because your chicken could be bigger than mine. You know what I'm saying? So you got to take things like that into consideration when you want to know how long it takes to cook something. Because my timing may be a little bit longer than yours. But I'm just going to show you the process and I'm going to show you what it looks for. Because chicken really don't take that long to cook. Sometimes people just overdo it and they wonder why their chicken be too dry or it's not as juicy. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you the process and I'm going to show you what I look for when I fry my chicken. So starting out, of course your chicken going to have a loud fry. Sometimes you should listen for the sounds because that sound of the frying lets you know when it's getting close to being done, okay? One thing that I wanted to come back and tell y'all is you should never use a fork to poke your chicken. Find you some kind of slotted spoon or use you some tongs and turn your chicken as you need to. But never poke your chicken with a fork or a knife to check to see if it's done. Don't cut your chicken in the cleaning process so that it can cook quicker. I'm telling you, this is what people mess up at with chicken. It's by cutting into it, poking it, and all of that. Because one thing that it's not going to do when you cut it before you fry it, it's not going to hold the juices, okay? The juices going to run right out the chicken. And another thing, it's the same thing when you cooking the chicken, frying it, and while it's cooking. When you poking it, you got to think. As you poke, you letting the juices come out the chicken. And then the chicken end up dry. Okay? So one last tip that I'm going to give y'all is, when you first drop your chicken down in this oil, don't touch it. Just let it do what it needs to do. Let it build up a crust on the outside first. A hard crust. And the reason why you let the hard crust build up on the chicken is so that when you get ready to turn the chicken, you're not knocking the crumbs off of it, the crust, okay? So that's two things that you should never do when you frying chicken. Do not touch the chicken, and please do not poke your chicken. Okay? When I say don't touch it, like I said, don't touch it when you first drop it down in the grease. Now, if you need to make room, that's fine. To take you something to slide it over just a little bit to make you a little spot to drop another piece of chicken. But please, do not touch your chicken when you first put it in there. Let it build up a crust. You'll thank me later. Okay, y'all. So my chicken has been frying for about a total of 5 minutes. And I have not touched it. This is the first time that I'm coming and turning them over. Look at that, y'all. Look at that chicken. So I'm going to let this chicken fry for maybe about another 3 minutes. You see now it's starting to float. Okay. And you see, and you notice how the bone is turning white on it, right? Okay. That lets you know when your chicken is getting done, y'all. When you look at that bone. So I'm going to let this fry for about another 3 minutes. And then I'm taking this out, which is going to make a total of about 8 minutes. 8 to 9 minutes that I have been frying these chicken legs. Alright, y'all. So about 2 minutes have gone by. And my chicken is looking nice and golden, and they're ready to come out the grease. How will you know when it's done? How are you gonna know without poking it? Don't poke it, y'all. You got to learn to trust your own judgment. I'm gonna let this go for that last minute, and it's ready to get up out the grease. But yeah, you got to learn to trust your own judgment, y'all. Okay? You gonna mess up sometimes. But that's the only way you learn. I've been frying chicken for so long, y'all, honey. Okay. Alright. So, yeah. Alright, so now we're going to get these up out of here. So, I'm going to say probably about 10 minutes on my chicken legs. Don't use the same judgment because look how small my chicken legs is, y'all. Your chicken legs might be bigger than mine. So like I say, don't use my time. I never try to tell nobody a certain time because I don't want yours to turn out wrong trying to use my time. And your meat might be bigger than mine, okay? So now we're going to drop down these chicken thighs. And I like to put those skin side down first. And I'm going to put maybe about 4 in here. I'll put 3 because I only got 3 left. So I'm going to fry those last 3 by themselves. And we're going to do the same thing with these chicken thighs. But only difference is the chicken thighs are going to need just a little bit more time. Okay? And I'll turn my heat back down to kind of like a medium because I don't have as much meat in this pot. And so I don't want the heat too high and cook the chicken too fast and the center ain't done. Alright, y'all. So it's been about 6 minutes. And I have not touched this chicken. So now I'm about to roll it over. And let them finish frying on the bottom side. See the bone starting to turn white? You see it? See how that bone starting to turn white on there? And you know it's getting done in the middle. So we're going to let this fry probably about another 5, 6 minutes on this side. Then I'm going to come back. Alright, y'all. So this is what the chicken looks like up close. And I just wanted to just crack it open and show y'all what it looks like. Y'all look at that chicken, how juicy it is. Look at that. And it's done. Like I said, you gotta trust your judgment, so we're gonna give it a little taste. Get y'all some. See it's done? And juicy. You see how juicy that chicken is? Y'all, that chicken is juicy. That's how you want your chicken. Trust your judgment. Okay. So, we're about to get ready to take this chicken here out. So I'm gonna basically say maybe about, I'm gonna say maybe 13 minutes on this chicken. And what was it, about 9 minutes? About 13 minutes on the thighs and about 9 minutes on the legs. That's what I'm gonna say. So we're just gonna let this chicken just sit here and rest. You don't want no soft skin on your chicken. That defeats the purpose of trying to get it crunchy. So we're gonna drop this last few batches of chicken down. And this is it, y'all. This is how you fry some delicious, crunchy, fried chicken without flour. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Peace, love, and many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And until next time, I love y'all. And I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure, if y'all try this recipe, let me know what y'all think about it. Stay tuned for pictures in the end. Peace, love, and many blessings to each and every one of you. Alright, family, so this is what we have for dinner tonight. And we're just finishing up leftovers from Thanksgiving, like the potato salad. And then this was the green beans and mashed potatoes. And then I just made a roll. And that's day lunch for tomorrow. And yeah, this is dinner, y'all.